What's up guys, welcome back to KitGuru. So yesterday we released a video of the Thermaltake Divider 200TG and an issue that we came across while doing the review. We were trying to install the motherboard into the case and there was an issue between the contact on the back of the motherboard and the standoffs on the motherboard tray. That was because of the standoff type. It's a punched out design rather than the conventional screw-in type. We noticed in the comment section of that video there was some confusion between you guys about who was at fault, whether it was the motherboard at fault or whether it was the case. We were sure it was the case at fault. So I've just been looking at the ATX 2.2 specification document, and you can see in that document there's a section under the heading of mounting hole placement. It talks about mounting holes that are no longer required in a micro ATX design, and if the case manufacturer does decide to implement a board mount in this area, a removable standoff should be used to avoid problems with boards that do not use this mounting location. So that is one of the reasons why we don't like to see this type of standoff, because these punched out standoffs are a permanent fixture, they can't be removed. So that's again one of the reasons why we think that a screw-in standoff is better. It takes up less space, less chance of causing issues with contact, shorts, etc. We've been working with Thermaltake during this issue. We've been emailing back and forth. We presented our feedback on the case and the issue to them, and we've been waiting for their response. We expected it to take a little bit longer actually, but they've actually got back to us this morning, so that's the reason why we've taken down the original video. And I'm pleased to say that Thermaltake has come back to us with a very positive response. I've actually got the email in front of me here, so I'm just going to read that out to you. So they start by saying, "Thank you again for reminding us of this issue. We've brought your info to our CPM and PM team. Here's their feedback." And they go on to say, and I quote, "First of all, we sincerely apologise for the fuzz," I think they mean fuss. "The design was inherited from TT's iconic micro case, Core V21. It's our responsibility to ensure that the design can be applied in all situations with any given motherboard, but unfortunately we missed. We will redesign the motherboard panel with the traditional copper standoff to better accommodate the shield on motherboards." So we're happy with the response that Thermaltake has come back with. It could have been very easy for them to ignore the issue and just hope that it goes away and it only affects a very small amount of motherboards. We were planning on doing some additional testing with more micro ATX motherboards in this case, but now that Thermaltake has admitted that they, well, cocked up in a way, we probably don't really need to do that testing now. What we're going to do is wait for the revised version of the case to come back, and then hopefully we'll be able to continue with this review and get it out to you guys and let you know what our complete opinion on this case, because it does look quite promising. It's got a different layout, it's slightly different from the norm that we're used to, and it looks like it should have good airflow. So we've got to take a hat off to Thermaltake really, because they've dealt with this really amicably all the way through, and we are hopefully going to see very positive response, and we think of it as a win for the consumer. So thanks for watching guys. If you have got this case and you've come across this issue with this board, the Aorus B550M, or if you have a different board in this case and you come across this issue, let us know, because we want to hear your feedback on this as well. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to help support KitGuru, head over to our store and pick up some merch. And as always, if you want to catch up on the in-depth technical reviews, head over to the website.